Wednesday at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, 7 will be part of a nationwide test of the emergency alert system.
Every station, every channel is running this test at the very same time, but we don't want you to worry. It's only a test.
Thanks for watching 7.
Comments ever from a stepdad.
Why are you allowing this man to treat your daughter in this way?
Then on Tuesday,
being a mistress works for me.
I'm not concerned about his wife.
I didn't care who would approve or disapprove.
They're just there for the taking.
I do not think what I'm doing is wrong.
Think you know the other woman? Well, think again.
Tuesday.
The Portland Trail Blazers are chasing a championship, and Coin Local 6 has the coverage you can count on. Highlights, insights, and interviews from the heart of Rip at 5:30. Brought to you by the big Subaru store, Gresham Subaru.
55 inches. That's huge. And it's included. It's the ultimate room event at More Furniture for Less. Buy this complete sectional with Bennington table and lamp set. And a 55-inch HD TV is included for just $19.99. What's more amazing? More has over 50 rooms that include an HD TV. Buy a room group and the HD TV is included. The ultimate room event at More Furniture for Less.
Since I joined Positive Changes, I've lost 65 pounds. I went from a size 18 to a size 6. I'm off my high blood pressure medication. My cholesterol is lower. And I feel fantastic. So enjoyable to walk the golf course and not be exhausted. I have so much more energy, such a different feeling.
This is a whole new thing. Introducing our most nourishing moisture ever. New Age Perfect Golden Balm from L'Oreal. More than just a cream, richer than a serum. A balm so rich, it redensifies thinning skin in a whole new way.
You're going to want to dive right in. Boom, face first.
Feel it melt in deep to nourish with calcium and 10 precious oils.
You know, I'm more comfortable in my skin today.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a thunderstorm warning or civil emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Lost 12 pounds. I've got the chocolate secret to losing weight. The weight loss secret these women have discovered is Slimmy's weight loss chocolate chews. The secret to Slimmy's
love. It's what makes a Subaru a Subaru.
At Pedigree, everything we do is for the love of dogs. So we've added more healthy ingredients to every bag we make. like stuff for skin and coat, digestion, immunity.
An order to evacuate immediately has been issued for Allen County, Ballard County, Bath County, Boone County, and Boyd County, effective until 10. Evacuate immediately. Boone County. Until 10.
I saved enough to swing both trips. See, Hotwire checks the competition's rates every day so they can guarantee their low prices. That's how I got a 4-star hotel on the beach in San Diego for half price. HOTWIRE, Hotwire.com.
MoshiGames.com is the all-new games website with free fun games for everyone. With hundreds of amazing free games to play and brand new games added each week, the fun never ends. Play all the best games.
National Weather Service office on Wednesdays at 6 p.m. when there is a threat of... Go, Weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to alternative weather radio broadcasts or visit weather.tech for the latest weather information. This weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to alternative weather.
Photos of the damage, track your claim, print an estimate. You want an English muffin? They literally hand you a toasted muffin with butter and jam. Oh, it's tasty. That's a complete dramatisation, of course, but you get my point.
Geico. 15 minutes could save you 15%.
Nationwide live code test of emergency alert system capabilities. This test message has been initiated by National Alert and Warning Authorities in coordination with emergency alert system participants, including broadcast, cable, satellite, and wireline participants in your area. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by emergency information, news, or instructions. This is only a test. We now return...